How to make and create a beauty Facebook cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design, search for Facebook, click on Facebook cover. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find beauty Facebook cover. Click on see all and choose any template you want here. For example, this one. As you can see, it looks so professional. You can change the picture and everything from here. For example, as you can see, test. And after you finish editing your template, all what you have to do is just go to the top right here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.